Ever catch yourself saying things like, "I can't do it, nothing ever works for me, I'm not good enough"? This aren't just words. They're instructions to your mind. Your voice is the first voice your brain believes. So if you speak doubt, you build doubt. If you speak limitation, you live limitation. Hey, welcome back. It's Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to strengthen your mindset, step into your purpose, and speak life into your future one positive choice at a time. Let me tell you something powerful. When my vision became very limited, I also struggled with confidence. I found myself saying I can't do anything anymore, but one day, I realized something. It wasn't the low vision holding me back. It was the story I was telling myself. So I changed my words. I started saying I will figure this out. I am capable. I am more than my challenges. And when my words changed, my world changed. Your words plant beliefs. Beliefs fuel actions. Actions build reality. So don't speak defeat into your life. Speak power. Speak courage. Speak possibility. It's okay if you don't fully believe it yet. Speak it anyway. Your mind will catch up. If this message spoke to you, drop a comment saying you speak strength and let the world know you're building yourself one word at a time. Hit subscribe for more future wisdom. And remember, even with limited vision, your words can light your path.